Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. Well, today I'm just going to be changing the ambient air temperature sensor on my 2006 ML350. So it's just this little guy here, and that's what gives you the temperature readout on your dash. So if it's not reading accurately, this is what you need to change. And it's located down in here. See where the radiator hose is? Well, it's just in past that. It'd be hard to show you guys. Okay, so you see that little rubber thing sticking up down there, and then you see the plug just above it. That is your ambient air temperature sensor. So I'll do my best to show changing it, but my hands are probably going to get in the way. But I had to look up to see where it was myself, so that's where it is. It's hidden down in there below the air intake hose and beside the radiator hose. This is on the left side of the vehicle. Right in there. Okay, so there's the old unit. And so it's just a little push tab on the plug and then pull it off. And then this just actually clips in and out. So you just give it a firm pull and it will pull right out. So there's your Euro Parts part number if you choose to go with that brand. I've had pretty good luck with them myself. So you can see they have the same plug and everything, and look pretty well identical. I believe this is the original Mercedes part. Yeah, it has the original logo and part number. So, okay, guys, I'm having a little trouble seeing what I'm doing down there, so I'm just going to go ahead and clip this hose off, actually. That gives me better access. There, you heard it clip in, so you want to hear that, and then you just plug it back in. You can spin it as needed to plug it in. And there we go, the plug can only go in one way. And you might have a check engine light because of this, so you might have to clear the code, or it might clear on its own after a couple of key cycles. I don't know, I had a check engine light for that, so with that hose out, I'll just show you. Turn you upside down in there. So now I just have to pop this hose back in, actually. Just like that. And that's about all there is to changing the ambient air temperature sensor on your Mercedes ML350. I'm not sure what year range this covers, but if it's up in that corner, that's how you do it pretty well. I do hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.